My beloved students of underground coal mining methods, with New Year wishes 2021 for your good health, happiness and prosperity. We will start our lecture number 8 today on 1st January 2021. I have some requests from our students to postpone today's class. I hope you understood the reason
Yes, sir.
why we could not accept, because we have to respect our constitution, whether it is our academic rules of NIT Rourkela or Indian constitution as per our new education policy 2020 also. And we consider our institute or the education giving place as a temple, and with that respect we continued to uh, with the classes without postponing on the eve of 1st January 2021. Now, if my voice is clear, I will share the slides and we will continue our class. So let me know whether my voice is clear, my beloved students of MN 2102. May I know whether my slide is visible?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So once again, with New Year wishes of 2021, now we start our lecture 8 on 1st January 2021 with good respect to our academic regulations. Instead of postponing today's class based on the request of many of our students, we try to continue this teaching learning process online through our MS Teams. So now, as we discussed in the previous classes, this is a module 1. We are discussing about development of the stratified deposits. We have seen many examples, including videography or including photographs of different mines, of different methods. And this also should become something like a refreshing for our beloved students. That's why we started discussing in development of these deposits by various methods with a conventional Bowden pillar, and then a variant of that Bowden pillar as a Roman pillar. We were at that place of discussion, and what are its advantages and the disadvantages. Now you can see where that Roman pillar, continuing with the previous class, where this is applicable. We discussed a little bit about this, where that seams, when you consider this as a seam, then that seam, if it is a flat, then your seam, it is very suitable for us as far as Bowden pillar method is concerned, right? And if it is free from geological disturbances, then why it is more preferable, and why it is difficult when there is some geological disturbance to go for Bowden pillar. The logic is very simple to understand, that if there are so many faults and then so many slick and slides and so many types of geological disturbances, right, as we have seen in the previous some plans also I showed you, along with the recent Wakilapalli mine where there was a roof fall accident, right? So in that cases also already you have seen how it is going to affect our geological disturbance affecting our mining methods, right? So that's why we should not select that type of mining methods which may get affected by the geological disturbance and which may cause instability and unsafe situations in competent conditions of that workings, right? So that's why application of this Roman pillar or Boden pillar is better. It is free from geological disturbances. And then because of this loss of coal is quite appreciable, that's why this method is not suitable. And already you have seen, I don't know, there is a CP question given last time, and now to start with in the new year, let us also start with one question also, right? If pillar size means center to center of the pillar. If that pillar size is 30 meters, and then gallery size, if it is 4 meters, a square pillar, and what is the percentage of extraction during development, right? This is in line with this conservation, right? So this method is not suitable where conservation of coal is important. The meaning is this room and pillar method as a final method of extraction. When you take it, there will be more coal left, right? So that percentage and all also we should have some idea. So that's why I've given that CEP question to my beloved students on this beautiful auspicious day of 1st January 2020. Again, I'm repeating that question for you. 30 meter by 30 meter is a center to center. If it is a pillar, you consider this as a square or this one, right? Where now our question is gallery width is 4 meters and this center to center of this pillar, center of the gallery to center of the gallery is 30 meter. Then what is the percentage extraction during development? Okay, that we will discuss later. So of course, for those who are really interested, I can show so many photographs of the present mines, what already few I have shown to you for refreshing, because in such conditions, what type of problems may come, what type of methods we should prefer, right? During this geology, right? Already you learned in the development of these deposits in the previous course. If somebody is interested, I can show some photographs to highlight that. Otherwise, I continue with different methods, its application or advantage and disadvantage to start with as refreshing you in the development of stratified deposits. We do that. Now continuing with that, and what are the advantages? Then now we are going to the longwall mining when compared to the room and pillar, board and pillar. What are the advantages of longwall mining? Longwall mining already I've shown you. It is nothing but in a simple layman's terminology. If it is a pillar, a Boden pillar of 30 meter by 30 meter, and instead of that, if this pillar is around 300 meter by 3 kilometer, that is that much of big pillar you just imagine. That is nothing but a long wall. That's a modern technology that we are using even in India. You please note down in Janjra colliery of our Eastern Coalfields Limited, which is more than 2 million tons per year. That is a target for another Adriala mine, which is in Singareni Collieries Company Limited. It is about 2.87 million tons, right? Then Janjra Longwall is with Chinese collaboration, and then this one is with our Adriala Singareni Collieries. This is with the collaboration of our CSIRO Australia. Okay, of course, because of some problems, we could not achieve the total targeted production all the time, but its capacity of that longwall panel or the workings of the total setup, all the detailed specification, everything we will discuss later when we discuss about that total method. But in the beginning, you should know about the latest what is happening. So you note down these two names with about 250 meter, right, around 2 kilometer long panels. Then we are going with that. Then here the advantages here is it has a now that is about that long wall. But in this compared to long wall, when it is a room and pillar, it is a less capital intensive. That way now we are talking about the continuity with that room and pillar one, where less capital intensive compared to long wall. But in long wall, here also you should know, you note down, it is around 800 crores, right? Around 800 to 1000 crores for one long wall pan. Compared to that, within few tens of crores now we can have our room and pillar or even continuous miners or your SDL or LHD semi-mechanized room and pillar or board and pillar. That is the meaning of this advantage of that. Then high OMS. OMS means output per manship and reduced cost of production compared to conventional board and pillar. That's why this can be taken as a advantages. Now its disadvantages. It has all the disadvantages of board and pillar, because when we are talking about this room and pillar already we have seen. In board and pillar, this board means it is a gallery or the opening, whatever is there, that is called the board. And that board is or the gallery width is limited as per our even coal mines regulations 2017 recent also is limited by the regulation number 100 or 101. Previously it was regulation number 99, which we have been following over so many decades, where it is mentioned that width of that gallery or board width should not be more than 4.8. But in room and pillar now we are going even up to 8 meters. That itself now we did experimental trials in India with wide stall mining. There this type of concept of room and pillar also comes. That also you please note down, which was experimented first time in India in East Bagadi Colliery of BCCL, Bharat Coking Coal Limited. So there along with Dr. T.N. Singh sir, who was a author of our underground winning coal, you must have already read about that book, right? Made nice experimental trial initially from there, and with stowing and without stowing we did it in Chirimiri Colliery, right? That is under Bartunga Hill, first time, and West Chirimiri. These are the places, Southeastern Coalfield, BCCL, right? Now, in the room and pillar method is not practiced, as I told you already. That's why we are doing less. And now coming to some more details about our longwall method, and we are developing our stratified deposit into the longwall method. Then already you have seen some plans I showed you where the deposit, when it is a virgin, right? When it is a virgin, that means it is not developed by board and pillar conventionally, and in that places only we will be developing that property, that stratified deposit. Now you just imagine this deposit is around 4 kilometers along the strike direction and around 2-3 kilometers along the dip direction. Then I can have longwall panels nicely placed, or you can plan in such a way that I can have an incline like this, and then my longwall panel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? These panels can be 200 meter face length and then 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer panel length. This is the way how you can do that. And if this consists of a long faces 60 meter to 200, right? Nowadays we exceeded even 300 also. That's why I just made it. And this some part of it is already there as a part of pedagogy which we developed along with some of our beloved friends from IIT Kharagpur long back. I mean just 10 years back like that. That's why I kept some more modification, latest information to you. And that some of that information is also available in some books or in the websites, and we can discuss over on that. So this can be even 300 meter face length, right? Where there is a continuous line of advance in one direction and leaving the go behind. That is what is, it can be advancing long wall. That means this is a long wall. Then this can be, if these are the gate roads, gate road 1, gate road 2. Otherwise, I would have shown you our models which are there in our whatever is our material handling laboratory. We have that. I would have showed you when you are here. Otherwise, also I can show some other time when you come back, or through some video I can show it to you, where when it is advancing long wall or a retreating long wall, right? So if it is your main incline or heading or from the surface, then we call this as a trunk roadways, right? These are the gate roadways. Then I can develop this in such a way that I will be reaching up to the boundary, and then I can be extracting that. That is called a retreating. Otherwise, I can start extracting the panel from here itself. That is called advancing. Very simple. Other plans we will be seeing later. So in that long walls, the roof is either allowed to cave or it can also be with some type of backfilling, right? That backfilling material may be sand and other things. But in general, longwall, when it is a mechanized, in India, we are not using backfilling, but that was done long back in 1989-91. You can note down somewhere, my beloved student, that details everything I will be giving you while discussing about the total methods at that time, where it was practiced with single drum shearer in 1989-91. There we conducted experimental trial under Wardha River, that is in Bharat Coking Coal Limited, that is Amlabad Colliery, you note down. That is a mine which is very notorious for explosion, disasters because of the explosion. Other details we go later, but these names, that's why I told you, my beloved students, whenever I am explaining you, that some names of the mines where we conducted investigations are associated with, so that we will bring to you the latest or some information about our Indian mines, so that you will become the best underground coal mining engineers in line with our new education policy 2020, and also Atmanirbhar Bharat, to give new mining methods to our Indian conditions. Okay. Now, in this longwall, the roads on either end of the face are known as gate roads, that already you know, and one will be serving when it is longwall through one gate road, intake air is going, and then from the face, and then return air is coming like this. So intake, that we are calling it as a main gate, and then another one is a tail gate, right? So generally in the main gate, we are having our conveyors, right? Belt conveyors, and then all the machinery, right? Your electrical, hydraulic pump pack, power pack, all those things will be there in the main gate in the intake airway side. And then for the material transport, then we are using with a simple track in the return airway or the tailgate. That is the general arrangement in any longwall. And now, if that is the case, then where it is applicable, right? So here, generally longwall method, it is suitable even for thin seams also. Of course, in India, we are not extracting less than 1.2 or 1.5 like that, 1.2, because we have to strike a balance in line with the availability. This seam is called a thick seam beyond this thickness like that. And how it is done, right? So this is based on 2-3 parameters. You just note down where. Now, suppose in India, if we are calling it as a thick seam, so we are taking it as a 4.8 meter, more than 4.8 meter, we call it as a thick seam. Okay. In Poland, now we are calling more than 3.8 or 4.8 is also there for them. In Canada, it is more than 3.5 in some countries. And then in Japan, right? Now that is not 4.8. That is a more than 2.2 meter thickness is called as a thick seam in that country, right? So why so much of disparity is some change in the terminology itself? Because there is a reason for that. So suppose in a particular country, generally what they have done, our forefathers, what they have done universally, internationally, is now in that country, what is the average thickness of those seams, and then what is the technology that is a conventional or traditional technology what that country is adopting, right? So based on that, they try to categorize that this more than this is a thick seam. For the time being, in the module 1, you can just note down only this much, and other details definitely we'll be discussing in other chapters, right? In the subsequent chapters. And here, if the thickness is 4.8 meter, right? Why we kept 4.8 as a thickness limit in India? Here, as per the regulation or Indian mining law, when 3 meter, up to 3 meter, you can develop. Already we have discussed about this with reference to our coal mines recent regulations 2017. Now 3 meter you can develop, and we have our traditional system where you can extract while retreating. That means if it is a depillering in the roof, you can blast that coal up to 1.8 meter without any difficulty. Why? Because 6 feet rod, and in a lighter sense 6 feet height of the person, right? That is not a extraordinary in India, right? So now 6 feet rod that is traditionally used for our drilling purpose, and then roof bolting for our blasting in the coal mines, all those things are there. So that's why up to 4.3 meter plus 1.8, 4.8. This is the way how we try. And to classify this method of working, this is thick seam mining, right? Then another reason, our technology of why that 3 meter is limited for development. There comes our conventional system of support was something different than our bolting at present. There we were using only simple wooden supports, that wooden logs. It is very difficult to get more than 3 meter, because even wooden log, this is a natural material, it is not man-made, right? So when length is more, its stiffness will be less, and then when the length is up to 3 meter, right? So there is a strike of the balance, right? Up to 3 meter, they decided in that way, where that wooden log of 15 centimeter diameter or 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter will have a capacity of around 10 tons to take the load. So that can give some stability to the working. So these are some of the intricate things our beloved students of underground coal mining methods MN 2102 should understand as a part of becoming best underground coal mining engineers. Right, okay. Now continuing with this further, even why they said that application even for thin seams also it can be done. There are cases in other countries where they used to go on the knees, right? So they used to crawl, right? Or they used to have even some type of plows to extract, right? And these are lying at moderate depths and having inclination up to even 20 degrees people used to work, even in the thin seams. By crawling they used to go, right? And they used to go means they will not be working, or they will not be there at the face all the time. In fact, we are aiming nowadays with all these artificial intelligence or ICT technologies, we are aiming for manless mining, right? Manless mining. That is the future that we are looking for, and you, my next generation students, will be seeing that. Already we started something and we will further develop it, right? Where persons need not be required at the working phase, where it may be near the go fed, it may be unstable, where only machines will go, or now we can have even the robotics applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all those things. Now we can utilize deep learning, all these things, right? Robotics applications are also being tried. In that way, longwall mining is more suitable in the thin seams compared to your board and pillar method. Okay. Now, why it is not suitable? Because already we have seen in board and pillar, there will be so many static control problems. The reason again is very simple, right? There we are developing, we are making so many galleries, but in a long wall, we are not making so many galleries. Long wall means it can be 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer long gate road, and then this is only opening, and other things is a solid. So that's why less data control problems, very simple to understand. It can be employed even in the gaseous seams with meticulous planning for ventilation and all. And that is very difficult in board and pillar, where even if you plan with any type of ventilation, there will be a lot of leakages, right? And for seams needing mechanization to achieve high output, and this method is the best suited method, long wall. That is where in future, even in the deep seams also, there is no other way. We have to go by only long wall. Board and pillar cannot be applied. Now, what are the advantages of this now? So here, the entire section of the seam is extracted, right? That means leaving only a barrier between two long wall panels, right? So that is only the coal left out, and in between we are not leaving like board and pillar in between any type of stooks or ribs like that. Here everything is cut by a shearer, right? Nowadays in the mechanized long wall. Otherwise, long wall initial days started even with plows, even with blasting, with some type of a box cut and so many things. Nowadays it is not being done, so don't worry for that. And that's why it has more percentage of extraction, very simple to understand. That is a main advantage of our longwall mining, since that is a very long panel and less coal is left in the barriers. Then ventilation is very simple to understand because there is only one gate road or two gate roads at the most along which air is supposed to go. So there will be less loss of air. Then seams with depth bands can easily be negotiated by without any dilution. Then system allows concentration of work. This is also very important issue. Concentration of work means what? Here concentration, now when you are working a panel, and as now you keep in mind one Adriala project, for example, right? Around 2.87 million tons is its production per year, per annum. To get around 2.8, now you have to produce minimum of around 10,000 tons per day, minimum. Right now you can imagine, right? All that production is coming from at one phase, but only at one phase. Now, if 10,000 tons of production is required from any mine, you should have 10 panels of depilling or development, whatever the panels, with or 4 or 5 with continuous miner panels. And now at that time you can imagine, right, where supervision, there should be persons working here, and here, so many districts we are working panels, right? Compared to that, this long wall, this supervision will be very simple, very easy, and there will be high productive and productivity can be achieved. Then mechanization of workings is comparatively simpler. That's what is the reason, as I tried to demonstrate, considering this as a long wall, right? Producing 2.87 million tons per year, or around 10,000 to 12,000 tons per day when I am producing from one place. Now all my concentration of the manager, of the agent, of the general manager, of the director, whatever who are there to give the production of 2.8 million tons will be there only at one place. Then it is very easy to negotiate or to solve any problems and then improve the technologies or think about any better innovative solutions for getting more efficient performance of that working places. These are all the advantages with the long wall. And subsidence is uniform, very simple to understand when this is a surface, right? And then when we are extracting by long wall, right, then you just imagine how subsidence will take place. So there will be uniform subsidence like this. Now you can see like this subsidence will be there. But if it is not a long wall, I am showing like a section here, it is easy to understand. When you extracted, subsidence took place uniformly like this with a trough and here in the middle. But if it is a Bowden pillar method, there will not be a subsidence uniform like this. There what happens, since there are pillars in between and there are not only pillars, some ribs left out and so many problems, it is not complete extraction. There will be not uniform one, there will be so many cracks and so many things will develop. And here also you please note down somewhere, harmonic mining also can be done, harmonic mining. Very simple physics in that. Harmonic mining means where the subsidence curve on the surface we will be planning our extraction of the panels, long wall panels are working in such a way that when there is a subsidence like this, there will be some tension and some type of compression near the boundaries or the barriers, right? Now I plan my mining method in such a way, or disposition of panels in different seams in such a way that one place where compression is there, at that place, because of another working in below seam or above seam, if that is a coming under a tensile zone, then compression and tensile zone, these two zones get neutralized, right, compensated, and there will be subsidence, but that will be uniform. There will not be cracks at that place. This is what is called harmonic mining. You please note down on this new year day, 1st January 2021, I am giving you this. But we are not following anywhere in India, and it is very difficult to follow, but technically it is feasible, scientifically it is feasible, but it requires a lot of care in implementation, and that details as a future scientist, future underground best coal mining engineers, you should know about that. Right now, That is advantage of uniform subsidence. Then floors liable to creep can be better controlled as there are less number of roadways to be cared for. It is very simple to understand. You understood because there are less number of roadways. Then mechanization with least capital cost per unit output is achieved. Although I told you already, you please note, you must have noted down, around 800 crores to 1000 crores is the cost of this total longwall district at the panel, which produces around 2.87 million tons capacity. And this is 3-4 years back purchased unit. I am telling it will be more nowadays, right? So now, but when you are producing more, then ultimately this cost per unit production or output per man shift will be very high and cost of production will be very low, right? So for example, the sale value of our coal, you note down somewhere, is 2000 rupees per ton. And your production cost, if it is 1500 rupees per ton, right, then your profit will be 500 rupees. But in general, already I told you, my beloved students, majority of our mines are with board and pillar, and 99% of all our underground coal mines are running under loss. And my beloved students should note down with red ink, little underline, so many things. Our adjacent mine, Orient mine, is incurring a loss of 1000 rupees per ton, not cost of production, loss, right? So these are the situations sometimes during this COVID-19 period that loss increased to 1000. That means when the sale value is 2000 rupees, then cost of production is 3000 rupees per ton. That means 1000 rupees loss. Otherwise, there are very few mines where there may be just marginal profit of 100 rupees per ton. Otherwise, all are running under loss as far as underground coal mining methods are concerned. That is a concern of our future underground coal mining engineers and experts. Okay. Now, what are the disadvantages with this? Right. Before going to disadvantages, what I do is I break at this point. We will take attendance and some doubts by our beloved students we will take up. Then taking the attendance also. I am taking the attendance. Meanwhile, you can unmute, and if you have any queries, you may ask. Or you can also write. Already I have told you there are so many ways. Other than during the these class hours, you can use our phone, mobile, WhatsApp, even email, Netris. You can write even in our MS Team also. So that I wish that my beloved students should become the best underground coal mining engineers in India, if not in the world. Okay, I have taken your attendance now. If any doubts, you can ask, unmute, or your CEP question answer. Any doubts? Otherwise, we will continue. Otherwise, continue with the class. Then CEP question is CEP1 question. What is percentage recovery during development? So pillar size is 30 meter and gallery 4 meter. 4 meter width. Okay. Anybody want to answer or any question, query? Otherwise, we will continue. Before continuing, since we were talking about these mines and recent coal mines, sometimes I used to show you, including video and all. I would also show you this mine once again, taking you so that on the eve of New Year Day, you should also have a feeling of being inside the mine, underground coal mine, where we are now planning for some modification in the mining methods. That also I will discuss later. At present, we are doing some investigations. They are the people, very senior officials, including our MTech scholar. Little bit for 5 minutes only, I will take you into that mine. Then I will discuss about it. So this is our Vakilapalli mine. where there was a roof fall accidents in the board and pillar development only. Why I am showing this is now we are referring to the development, and this is what happened in that development panel. Now you see what happened there. Now here, now I am just taking to you. You see these are the development, how it happens there. Now we are entering inside the mine through our something like your mine car, right? You are sitting inside and going inside the mine from the surface. This is going through the incline. That means you have developed this stratified deposit through inclines in this Vakilapalli mine of Ramagundam area, Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Then this is a way. Now you imagine that you are there in that sitting here. Maybe you are anybody, Yogita Madam and Karthik, other people are sitting here along with our, I think our Professor Sahendra Ram is also there, it seems, in this. May I know whether Professor Sahendra Ram is there in this? If there, you can unmute and just give me a hint so that our beloved students also will get your presence benefit, sharing your experiences for 5-10 minutes if convenient. Now you just imagine you are entering inside the mine along with them, but with a mask. Many are overconfident, complacent, and they have complacent in the sense of their immunity and all, but that is not good sign, as it is there told nicely by our none other than a good our Amitabh Bachchan, right, in the voice. So you should have a mask. So here also people had it, and now you see entering inside the mine with these conditions of board and pillar development. I am showing you so that already I showed you these plans. Now I am showing you this is a developed with around 4 meter or 4.5 meter width galleries, and this is a boarding station where this is a man riding facility. From there, this is developed in such a way that my person or any miner should go from there by mine car for about 1 kilometer or half kilometer, whatever is there, and then from there to nearest to the mine working phase by this. This is a child lift system. One of our senior officer is here. Now you can see how it is working, and then entered into the working places where some old bucket is there of the LSD, SDLs, whatever it was there, just showing, because this is being shown. And now you can see the width of the working. This is what I wanted to show you, and how this is supported. This is a working phase. Later we will be going there and then blasting this and then loading by LSD, SDLs, whatever they are using it, their LSDs. Then this width is around 4 meter, 4.2 meter and all. This is what I would like to show you, my beloved students, taking you. Now you feel that you are there in this working phase, which is there at around 267 meter depth in Singareni Collieries Vakilapalli mine on this auspicious day, 1st January 2020. And we are celebrating this as a music. Already you have seen a video which I named as a music for our mining engineers. Spending more time with the Mother Earth, that is the greatest privilege for us, and that's why we are utilizing this time instead of accepting the proposal of our beloved students, majority of the beloved students, to postpone today's class. I took it as a privilege to take you inside the mine, get the pleasure of being with the Mother Earth and listen to the music of our earth here. Now you are there at the phase where people are there, and this is the width of the working. That's why for you, my beloved students, I made them. This is not taken long back. This is only recently, as a part of investigation, I told their official, they made it for us. Now you see 35 deep of 41 level. This is a 4.1 meter width of the working. Now this is what, now I have given a question to you, my beloved students. 4 meter width of the gallery and 30 meter center to center width. What is the meaning of center to center? Again, I will show. Then this is a 35 dip of this. Then what is the meaning of this dip? Now here, then when this is my property, you have developed this stratified coal seam from the surface by incline, and then R from the shaft, whatever it is. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that we have given the levels. Then this is that level 62, and then dips. Now when it is a main dip, 0, 1, 1 north side, south side, this is the way how we give the numbering. and then 35 number dip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a place what is being shown to you, my beloved students. Then you see how it is appearing, right? Now, what is the meaning of center to center? This is the meaning of center to center. That means this is a pillar size is 30 meter what I have given to you. Now I am trying to make you more understanding as if you are there in this mine, my beloved students, right? Of underground coal mining method, MN 2102, right? Now here, this is a middle, whatever I am showing by this. This is a middle of the gallery. Then you imagine this is a gallery, this is a middle. So from this middle to the middle of the gallery on the other side of the pillar, that is 30 meters. Now you can estimate, calculate as a part of our today's question as a quiz, whatever it can be taken up. You can answer in the last 5 minutes given to you before summarizing, which will be fetching you marks as a part of our teaching assistant, teacher assistants are teaching as a part of evaluation of TA, right? So this is how this is appearing. Now you imagine this is a center point where of the gallery of around 4.2 meters, and this is how it appears. In the sides are stone dusted to eliminate, and of course these are the support systems and all. I'm not going much into that, but it is just to highlight, my beloved students, here where our longwall mining should be used, where our golden pillar and all, right? Where we face this type of disturbances, majority, right? It is very difficult for us to maintain even the galleries, okay? So we need to pour a lot of money, right? And pouring money for the support, I give you the best example. And in the 2000 at that time, where Thansi mine, down of Western Coalfields Limited, that was a costliest support system we used for the first time in collaboration with Rock Mechanics Technology UK, where I was a part of their international collaboration projects for them for India at that time, right? So where Dr. Bigby and Altinion, the why I'm telling all these names and other things is those who are interested, definitely they can just simply write Bigby, Rock Mechanics Technology, Thansi Mine, WCL. You will get lot of information, buckets of information available in the Google, whatever. Our Pichumuni must have provided in the Google, right? You or Gmail, whatever, right? And now you see situations in the gallery and disturbances, right, on the surface, on the roof with some slips and so many things, right? Here it is only 3.9 meter. Width of the gallery is only 3.9 meters. And here 40 deep, 62 level, that was 61, 62 level. There is a fault, my beloved students. Here you see 2 meters fault is there. Here, this is a fault plane, which is dipping, which is striking in this direction and dipping like this. This is what is the situations in the mines. And he is our beloved MTech scholar, COVID warrior, right? Our Kottakonda Maharshi. He is doing wonderful work as a part of his MTech strata control related industry oriented research. He is doing it nicely. Only in the last month he was there in that mine with all care against the COVID-19, where a vehicle was provided by our mine management. As a scientist or investigator, he was there and he was dropped back to their parents with all health care, everything, along with our strata control engineer. He is in charge for the total region. Our Sridhar is here. Right. Now, this 3.9 meter width, 40 deep, 62 level. Now, supports being used with different W straps and other things are here. You can see now you must be imagining now that you are in the safe, very stable place. And this is what is required as a good underground mining engineer to provide the place for our persons to work here, so that our next batch of our coal cutters will go here and do the blasting. Other, if it is a continuous miner panel and our continuous miner will be inserted into this, there comes our artificial intelligence. There comes our machine mining, right? Where we will having some type of sensors, even about the working, about the atmosphere, about the methane percentage, about carbon monoxide levels here, and about the proneness for the fire. about the stress coming on this, about the movements on the surface, in the roof level, or the strain, stress, all those things can be monitored, and that data can be communicated through our ICT technologies. That is where is the transdisciplinary translational industry oriented research and application, where I wish my underground coal mining student should know each and everything in the underground coal mining, applications of all these artificial and latest technologies as a part of our digital India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, to give new methods of experimental trials, which we have done when there were a failure of imported technologies. That's what is very much required. And here it is, a width is 4.1 meter. Here the roof is like this with a sandstone, some spalling, some type of damage to the roof, even with the bolts there with W strap. These are some of the instruments are also there. Of course, in that place along the floor, how it looks like, you can have a look. These are the instruments to understand. This is what is called a telltale. You only note down that is the reason why I told my senior officials while taking this photograph for me, as if they have shown me that mine, they have taken a videography and all this photograph for this investigation of this fatal accident which took place just in the last month, right? And we are doing that investigations, and that's what I wish my students should know about that. And here, these are some of the other instrumentation there, and now I wish that you should also feel that you are there at this place, right? And this is a working, appearing very safe, and this is our LHD where tire is being transported. As a very good mechanical engineers are also working with us as a part of it, and then we are working over this. I think our Professor Sayendaram, you are also there in this. In this class, I am continuing that class, showing Vakilpalli mine. If you are there in the class, underground mining methods. Yes. So here I would like to stop now. Let us go back, continue with our class. Now you feel that you are there in the underground mine at that place, and then now you understood as far as our longwall depillaring and other things are concerned, what is the disadvantage now. Now already you have seen the advantages. Now let us see disadvantage before closing the today's class for your CEP question and then summarizing. Meanwhile, you decide who is going to summarize today's class, because now we have only 5 minutes more. Now I will finish within 1 minute here, 2 minutes for your question answer, and then 2 minutes for summarizing. So here the disadvantage, as I told you, this is a high capital cost, that is around 800 to 1000 crores. That is really very high capital cost compared to board and pillar, where it is only few crores, 10 crores, 5 crores, depending on that semi-mechanization or continuous miner or your LSDs or SDLs or scraper mining or some other technologies. Now, requirement of high-skilled manpower. Obviously, when you are using such a sophisticated technology, even where computer engineers, electronics engineers, electrical, mechanical, all those people are required for us. Even the operators, I wish that they should be at least a diploma holders, if not even the degree holders, right? Working in a very AC compartments, everything. Okay, these are the skills required. And there comes our great vision of our new education policy 2020, as well as our digital India, skill India, and Atmanirbhar Bharat. We have to improve further compared to our previous traditional technologies. That's what I wish my students to become the best underground coal mining engineers in the world, if not in India, right? Then maintenance of gate roads for longer period, disadvantage. Why I am telling this? This gate road, whatever is there for 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, for such a long time, 1 year, we are supposed to maintain. That is a disadvantage. So here I would like to stop at this stage, and once again with New Year, it is not advanced. Already we are there in the New Year, right? Yesterday I made it. That's why it is advanced like that. So now what I do is let us take some queries. If you have any queries, you can unmute and ask any query. And I am taking your attendance once again, because sometimes we face this problem of continuity, connectivity. It may not happen. So now I tried once again. Now who is giving answer for question, CEP question 1 for your teacher assessment for today's class. And then who is going to summarize? You can unmute and tell. Somebody has written
Sir,
something. You unmute and tell.
sir, my
Your name
is
first. Tell
22%.
your name so that let others also see. If you feel convenient, you can also show your face on this New Year day. People will be very happy to see your beautiful face. It is up to you. Right. Who is answering?
Anik.
Anik.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anik answering. Yes. What is your
20.
answer?
22%.
How you got this 22%?
Yes, sir.
Who is summarizing? Summary by whom? You tell. How you got that? Acha, anybody else? Somebody has written 24.8. Yogita madam, how you got that? Any idea? 1
Sir,
minute more left, because you should not venture into others' classes, because other our beloved professors of our NIT Rourkela may be waiting. So we should finish within 11.
Sir, I have got so 1 minus 30 square by 30 plus 4 whole square in 200.
Very good. Then
Sir, actually, sir, I am Shivam.
another person got 24.88. Of course, this is very simple. The logic already I told you is that is a 30 center to center. Then solid pillar size will be how much? 26 meter. This is 26. Solid is 26, right? So with that now it is very simple. 5th class का लड़का भी ऐसे ही कर देता है. So it doesn't matter. It is not a very big question, right? Okay. Now who is summarizing today? Summary. Otherwise, summary 0
Sir,
for all.
hello,
Yes.
sir.
Summarize.
Yes, you should tell your name. Otherwise, it is
The
0.
Nikita.
Yogita madam.
The Nikita.
Yes. Nikita madam, right.
Yes, sir. So, sir, in today's class, we were basically discussing the development of stratified deposits, the advantages and disadvantages of various methods like Borden pillar, Rumen pillar, and the long wall, and how one method is superior to other in different scenarios. Although the Borden pillar mining is most common in India, but long wall is most productive method, and all these things.
Nicely done. Here, my beloved students, and convey it to your parents also, right? Because they are helping you.
Excuse me, sir. Hello. Hello.
Any queries?
Excuse me, sir.
Not audible.
Sir, hello. Hello, sir. Sir, you are not audible.
Unmute on. Yes, no problem. Already 11. Not going to other classes. You can write to me, right? You can also make a call to this or this. Have this number 193859, and this number one, and other email is already there with you, my beloved students. Yes, JIAN@the rate, then keep it anywhere. gmail.com, yahoo.com, rtl.h.in. Has any other doubt? Can talk to me. Fine. Otherwise, 9999, right? Talk to me again. And meanwhile, now it's 11. All the best once again. Happy New Year. Take care of COVID-19. Dhanyavad to your parents. They are helping you. You should help them. This is a golden time. You are there with them. Then Jai Hind,
Sir.
Jai Bharat, Jai NIT,
Sir, excuse me.
Rourkela. Right? Then
Hello.
I think Jasmine is interested to say something. Yes, madam.
Yes,
Jasmine,
sir.
madam. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, in NITRIS, you have sent the slides of some other course, not this course. So
Okay.
can you send the correct course slides?
No problem. Don't worry for the slides. Already it is there in your this YouTube link, this link you see that is already there in that. Okay. I have buckets full of informations. Don't worry for that. You follow the class and I can give you so many books, materials for you. Right. And that other material I must have sent you for some additional knowledge for you people. Okay. Whatever slides are there, they are there here during the class and this is recorded. And that recorded one is there with your CR and other places, other people also. You are maintaining a YouTube link of all this. Jasmine madam, you followed?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes. Then you take that responsibility in addition to your CR to maintain that YouTube link because it is being done by all the classes. Whatever I used to take, whether it is a stator control, ground control instrumentation or underground coal mining methods. That means converting that into YouTube link so that those students who are unable to follow or are unable to get connected because of not their laziness, because of some internet connectivity, because all our students are very active, not at all lazy, right? All our mining engineers are super active, right? Not hyperactive, super active. Okay. So, okay, then any other doubts? Anyway, all that materials will be shared with you. Don't worry. Jasmine madam. Okay. Right. Meanwhile, you should go through all the materials and then be attentive, ask the questions. I used to encourage asking questions, showing your Einstein slides also in the first or second class itself. Okay. So develop that habit of asking questions. Okay, then all the best. Once again, Happy New Year. Take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बाद में क्या बोलना है? कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
बंदे उत्कल जननी जय राउरकेला जय मानी
methods. ठीक है? All the best. Right, now I am stopping recording and you convert this into YouTube link. Right, all these YouTube links should be maintained by our CR and others. Right, as a class 1 it's YouTube link like that.